Thursday on the avenue. Thought I heard you talking softly. I turned on the lights, the TV and the radio. Still I can't escape the ghost of you. What has happened to it all? Crazy, some would say. Where is the life that I recognize? It's gone away, but I won't cry for yesterday. There's an ordinary world somehow I've got to find. And as I try to make my way to the ordinary world,